Hi friends, it's 10:38 p.m. right now. Had a big idea today of building Callie a planter, a small standing planter, I think is what they call it. So yeah, I'm just the brain tonight, and Chris is the one constructing it. He's about to cut right now. Well, right now he's posing, but he'll cut. So yeah. So he just finished cutting. What's next, babe?
We're going to assemble the walls. Once the walls are assembled, we're going to measure and cut the pieces for the floor.
Cool. So he's already measured it a while ago. The size that I gave him was 10 feet tall. Not feet, 10 inches tall.
I have to adjust it a bit just because of the height of the planks. So instead of the 10 inches high, we're going to have it at about 11 inches for the walls plus a little bit of clearance for the legs. So about 11 to 14 inches or so. Got 2.5 feet in length by 1.5 feet in width.
Cool.
Alright, let's nail these pieces together. Don't have a clamp wide enough to stick this. Just gonna do it freehand. Voila. Planner upside down now. Just gonna line up these pieces. It's okay to stagger them a bit because once we got the floors assembled to the walls, we're gonna flip it and install some landscaping fabric. The whole idea of the fabric is to keep the soil from leaking out of the floor, as well as allowing water to drip through the soil, so your soil dries and your plants don't remain too oversoaked. So try to meet it up to 10. Let's add another 4 inches to the bottom. Spread it over.
Just so you guys know, we have all of these materials are leftover materials from our previous projects, so we have a ton of wood in our garage. Like a ton. So we're just really using up all of these because right now lumber is super expensive.
Yeah, there's a low supply. What a bummer. Let's see. So the legs I have planned, babe, is to just have this treated 2x4. Just fastened to the bottom here. This is about 3.5 in width, which is close to that additional 4. Or what do you think?
I'm actually thinking of having it taller now. Making it taller.
Much taller? How much taller should we make it?
This is 6.
Yeah, about 6.25 from bottom to top.
I'm just gonna measure Callie's activity table center. Be right back. I think I'm gonna go with 15 inches.
So 15 inches from ground. So this much more.
So 9 inches more.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it'll be this tall.
Mm-hmm.
If that's the case, we're gonna use a thicker post. It's back. This is much more stable. Heavier but more stable.
I feel like the first one would have been fine because it wouldn't have a lot of weight on it anyways, but
True, but the thinner one has more play, so meaning it's going to, when it's standing, the legs to go, and you push this from side to side, it's gonna sway more.
gotcha.
As opposed to this post, which is thicker. Thicker the post, the less sway it's gonna have. So we're gonna cut 9 inches, 4 pieces, 9 inches each. Let's do our measurements.
You need my help?
Yeah, that'd be great. Let's try to line up these posts underneath because I'm going to use a couple screws and drill right through these boards into the posts.
Can you make it easy to remove so that if we have to adjust the height, it's easy?
Yep. We're going to screw it from the inside and it's going to go straight into there.
Should you, does it matter? Standing it?
No, it wouldn't be. It would be okay. We could sand it lightly once it's done. So screw's gonna go right in there from the top, from inside.
also make this as a sensory table.
Possibilities are endless. So it was on top of the screw box.
Still not level.
It's not perfect. It's gonna be outside anyways.
No, I want it to be level.
But as you can see with the 4x4s, there's no play when you push it. We're a little bit off the mark here, but don't worry, it's just only human.
So, did you lift that, babe?
Yep. So the thing about brad nails, unlike screws, they yank off easily. They're usually meant for lighter loads. So because we're filling this whole thing up with soil, it's going to get real heavy. So in order to prevent this from pulling out and causing a mess, we're going to add some wood glue right in between the joints and use the brad nails to just seal and keep them in place. Once the thing cures, it's going to be rock solid.
Ano to anak? Di ba ano to sibuyas?
Chives. Kamag-anak. Si chives.
Bibi, pinunot mo na! Bibi, pinunot mo na!